Hello dear students, very good morning to you all. In today's class I teach you very important topic from this module, that is regular expressions in Python. First of all, we need to know what are regular expressions. Actually the answer for this question is regular expressions are very powerful tools supported by most of the programming languages. While writing shell programs, while working with Unix operating system also, we use regular expressions in order to manipulate the strings. That means, what are regular expressions? Regular expressions are most powerful tool supported by most of the programming languages like shell programming. Even Python also supports regular expressions. Why we need to write regular expressions? We need to write regular expressions to manipulate the strings. This topic is also related to strings in Python only. That means in order to process the strings, not in order to process the strings, in order to fetch, in order to access the part of strings, we write regular expressions. I give some examples, definitely you understand. Now can you tell me some more points about the regular expressions in Python? The answer will be like this. Regular expressions help to match the pattern in the given string. Have you understood the meaning of this sentence? I explain you. For example, let us assume regular expressions in Python is a string. Whether in this string do you find any pattern as in? Yeah, in this string in pattern is there. Then how to search it? Whether this string is having the in pattern or not. That is possible by regular expressions. One more simple question to you. In this string, whether this string starts with the pattern RE? Yeah, this string starts with the pattern RE. Then how to know whether this string starts with the pattern RE or not? That is possible by writing regular expression. Whether this string ends with ON pattern? Yeah, this string ends with ON pattern. This is what we call matching or searching the pattern in the given string. In my explanation, regular expressions in Python is a string. Searching pattern might be RE, searching pattern might be ON, searching pattern might be in, searching pattern might be any part of this string. To perform such matching operations, we make the use of regular expressions. One simple question to you. What are regular expressions? Now can you tell me the answer? Regular expressions are powerful tool supported by most of the programming languages including Unix as well as Python. Regular expressions are used by the programmers to match or search for the pattern, whether that pattern is there or no in the given string. Can you tell me some more points about the regular expressions? Definitely, sure, I explain you. Regular expressions help to search information. What is the use of writing regular expressions? Regular expressions helps us to search the information from the code. Means one program is there. In that program, anywhere have you written that information or code, I want to search it. That is possible by regular expressions. Regular expressions helps to search information from the code or from the file also. Let us assume in computer secondary memory n number of files are there. Within that file particular text is there or no, I want to search. That is possible by writing regular expressions. Regular expressions helps to search information from the code, from the file, even from Excel spreadsheets also. I hope you might have worked with Excel worksheets. In Excel worksheets, we write the data. Table of data elements will be there. I want to search. Can you search a student whose USN number is so and so, or whose name starts with so and so, whose city name is so and so? That means regular expressions helps us to search information from the code, information from the file, information from the spreadsheets, information from the log files also. While working with operating systems, automatically OS will create n number of log files. I want to search something from the log files. That is possible by writing regular expressions. Even you can search some information from even documents also. Now can you tell me some points about regular expressions? Yes, I have the answer. Regular expressions are powerful tool supported by most of the programming languages in order to manipulate the strings. This is the first point. Second point, regular expressions helps to search the information by giving pattern from the given string. Regular expressions help to search information from the code, from the file, from the spreadsheet, from the log files, from the documents, etc. Can you define what is regular expression? Definitely. Regular expression can be defined as a sequence of characters. Sequence of characters that matches or that helps to find whether that is there or no in the string. That help to match or find strings in another string. Means I want to search in string is there or no in regular expressions in Python string. That is to match or find strings in another string. Regular expression can be defined as a sequence of characters that helps to match or find strings in another string. In Python, first see the example so that you can understand. Now one string I have, students are learning regular expressions. This is a string. This string has been stored in the string variable named string. Whether in this string students string is there or no? Yeah, this string starts with the student string. I want to check it. Then how shall I check whether student's pattern is there or no in this string? I make the use of match method or match function available in RE module. RE is one of the built-in module available in Python. From that module I am using match function. This function will search whether the student's pattern is there or no in the given string. Now can you tell me in this string whether the student's string is there or no, whether this string starts with or begin with student string? Yeah. If it is there, it will tell us the starting index of that string. What is the index of capital S? 0. What is the index of T? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0 to 7, that pattern is there. That means we found that pattern from 0 index to 8th index. Means in the given string students pattern is there. That's why we are getting the index of that pattern. Now in this string learning is there. Yeah, it is there, but not at the beginning. It is somewhere in the middle. That's why I'm not getting the result, because match function will help us to search the pattern whether that is available in the given string or not at the beginning of the string, not anywhere. That is the use of match. Match is one of the function available in Python. It helps us to search the pattern at only the beginning, at the beginning of the string, not anywhere in the string. That is what the use of match function. Now whether this string starts with the string st? Yeah, re.match searching pattern is st, and from which string you want to search string, it is there. 0 index onwards starts, ends at 1, means 2, 0 to 2. Yes, it is there. Within these examples, students is a regular expression, learning is a regular expression, st is a regular expression. By giving this regular expression we are searching it. I hope you understood how to make the use of match function. re.match is must searching pattern from which string you want to match. Here pattern is a matching or searching pattern. In order to make the use of this match, you need to import, I have not written here, you need to import the module RE. First you need to import the module RE. Once you import the module RE, then only you are able to use the match function, otherwise you cannot use it. Little bit I hope you gain the knowledge regarding regular expressions. Now can you tell me What is regular expression once again? What is regular expression? Regular expression is powerful tool supported by most of the programming languages in order to manipulate the strings, that is to match or search for the pattern in the given string, that is to search the information from the code file, from the normal file, from the spreadsheet file, from the log file, from the documents. Regular expression can be defined as a sequence of characters that help to match or find strings in another string. I hope you understood. In Python, regular expressions can be accessed using the RE module. Import RE. This module we import first. From this module we use functions like match, functions like search, functions like sub, functions like find all, functions like find ITR. I explain you all the 5 one after another in detail with explanation and syntax. Just only I explained you the match. Just I revise. Match, you can explain in exam. You get the question like this: explain the match function or explain the re.match function. This match function is available in RE module. It helps to search for the given pattern at the beginning of the given string. Syntax: re.match pattern comma string. Given pattern will be searched at the beginning of the given string. See the example. Import RE. This is a string. Students, whether this string starts with students, yeah, 0 to 8 index. Whether learning, whether this string starts with learning, no. Whether this string starts with ST, yeah. This is what all about match function. This is a simple program, Python program to explain re.match function. Import RE. String is students are learning regular expressions. Pattern 1 learning. Whether this string starts with learning, then match found, otherwise not found. Learning is not present in the string, but learning is present in the string but not starting with string. That's why else part is working. Pattern 2 is students. Whether this string starts with the students, yeah. Pattern 2 match found at the beginning of a string. Students match found at the beginning of the string, otherwise not found. I hope you understood the program. I have imported RE. This is a string. Learning is a searching pattern. Whether this string starts with it, no, not present in the string. Whether is it there, yeah. I hope you understood. Practically I run and I will show you. Already I have written the program for you. See here, this is a program. Already I have saved the file match1.py. Programming example. Import RE. This is a string. Whether this string starts with this pattern 1, no. Whether this string starts with the pattern students 2, yeah. Run the program. Yeah, learning is not present in the string. It is present in the string but not starting with learning. Students match found because that string starts with the students. This is what the simple program. I hope you understood regarding the match. In the next class I explain you the search. Match and search both are same. Match searches at the beginning, search searches anywhere in the string. That is what the difference between searching and match. I explain now only. re.search function. Match and search both are same. Match searches at the beginning, search searches anywhere in the string. Pattern syntax is same. re.search pattern. Same example. Students found. Learning also found. 13 to 21. IONS also found. 37 to 41. Again the same program. Learning is there, yeah, match found. This is what all about match and search. I hope you have understood. Last one more is there, re.sub. One more function is there is a sub. What is the use of this sub function? It will search for the pattern. If it is there, it will search the pattern, whether this pattern is there or no in that string. Okay, in the next class I explain. Sorry. Okay, today I explained you about match and search. In the next class I explain you sub. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.